Hi guys, welcome to Codewell, and again I'm back again with the question called find all anagram nesting. It's a lead code medium level question. So the problem statement is they have given two string S and P. You have to return an array of all starting index of P's anagram in S. You may return the answer in any order. But what is anagram? Anagram is a word or a phrase formed by rearranging the letters of different word of phrase by using the original letters exactly once. So let's see the example. So if they are given two strings P and S, we have to return the primary index of the anagram. For example, let's take C. We have a word called ABC, right? So we have to find the word which is exactly same or the anagram of this. Anagram can be like V, C, A, or A, C, B, anything like this. Sort of like a permutation, right? Um, and so, for example, we know that the size of this is 3, right? So we can fix the index as 3 here, and we can check if this is um anagram or not. CBA, ABC, yes, it is an anagram. So we will include the zeroth index, but because it's starting from the zeroth index, right? Then we move, we we exclude the previous element and include the next element. I hope now you got what concept we are using, right? Obviously it's a sliding window, so we are using a sliding window and tracking an array of uh, p and s. We basically we are taking an hash map, like we are storing not exactly the hash map, because we can do without using hash map. If we are using hash map, it will take a bit more complexity. Instead we are taking a vector, just storing the um, uh, uh, vector from 20 for 26 size, that is from A to Z. So then we are just storing the elements. For example, if it's A, B, C up to Z, we just keep a track of the number of elements, that is A, B, C, right? So count will be of A will be 1, B will be 1, and C will be 1. This will be hash map of P, right? So simultaneously we create an hash map for S, uh, and we check if both the arrays are or vectors are equal. If both are equal, we just push the primary index of the S, right? So I think you might have a basic idea right now. Let's see, let's dry run this once. For example, as I mentioned, that is C, right? C, B, A, E, B, A, B, A, C, and D, right? So we are taking out two vector of size 26. The one is for P hash and another for S hash, right? So for now I'll just take 5 letters, just imagine that it is still Z, okay? So I'm just taking for now A, B, C, D, and E, right? So what we do is we create a sliding window, that is of size 3. So when we know that P has this has the hash of ABC, right? That is A, B, C will be 1, 1, 1, right, of P. Now we have to match, we have to find if the vector of this is matching this. So we are taking a sliding window CBA. So the count of C will be 1, B will be 1, and A will be 1. Others, rest of all will be 0, right? Even in this, as I said, even this size will be up to 26, that is up to z. Others will be 0 0 0, right? So now we check if hash of this is equal to hash of this. Yes, it is equal, because the frequency is also equal and the count is also equal, right? 111 111 rest all 0. So we insert the index of the left array, left pointer, that is if the pointer is like this, we push the index of this pointer, that will be 0, and we include the next element and exclude this element, that is, so what happens, c will be excluded, c will be equal to 0 now. And next, what is the element? A B E, right? So this is E. Then E will be 1. This will be 0. So it will be 1 1 0 0 1. But this is 1 1 1. It is not equal. So it's not an anagram. So we move to the next pointer and we will be upgraded to 2. At the same time, this will be excluded by 1, right? You get, I think now you got a basic idea. We are just using a sliding window and we are just iterating it, and we are forming a vector of hashes and we are checking it. That's it. Let's move to the code right now. Uh, Basically this is a code. As I mentioned, we are taking a vector to store an answer and two vectors for storing an hash. And we obviously know, this is a basic condition, that if the size of p is greater than s, we obviously, there is no anagram, right? If the length of this is ABC, if the letters are ABC and S is only AB, there is no anagram. So just return answer null, right? So we are taking left and the right pointer for sliding window, and we are this is the first hash, that is the first one that we are taking. And by the end of this, you will find that ABC will be 111 and CAB will be 111. Then we decrease the right pointer, and this is the statement which I said, we will check both hashes. If both are equal, we'll take the index of the first left pointer, right? And when then we include the next pointer and decrease the left pointer, right, as it is moving, and we are increasing the left pointer, and at the end we are just returning the answer. That's it. So let's run this. It has run. Let's submit. Yeah, it does work. So yeah, that is it from this video. If you like the content, do like the video, and be safe, stay coding. Thank you. Bye.